We only have service out here.
Oh, there's a pin still in this. Oh wait, oh, it's back here, it's back here. This isn't fair.
I found it.
Looks down. You okay?
That was so loud.
There's magic. Hello. We are here. Oh, there is. There's the man. So, we're about to head inside. We're ready. We're ready. Oh. Oh, it's. Oh. Oh my god, it's so cool.
Be a customer.
Babies right there. Little babies.
Stand by.
Oh yeah, look, you can tell it's his room. You can tell. We're going in his room.
Wow.
All the lights. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna show you guys what it actually looks like. Oh wait, look. And then you can do. Wait. Damn it. No wait, maybe you can't. There it is! There it is! Oh my god, the light is messing with the camera. Dang, look at all those books. Mm-hmm. All the daggers. Ugh. It's so cool. Oh, scary. The bathroom. Dang, just the pristine toilet. Wow. Oh, hands. Oh yeah, where are the soot sprites? Oh, there they are. Oh, it's so cool. She is currently putting on a dress. Wow, can you button it up yourself?
I'm gonna try.
Yes. Hot. This is horrible.
I tried.
Dang. She left. See it. Let.
Oh no.
What?
Creased.
Oh. Oh well. What? It's them. Right. It's right there. Dang. She cut her hair. Yeah, do the bob. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. She's entertained by the goat.
I did 2 rounds. 2 rounds of soap and under fingernail scrubbing.
I just noticed there's soot sprites in here. The owner, she pointed out to us that there's this little piece of like slime right here. Because remember when Howl got slimed on? Well, he turned into slime, I guess. Joe just went mush. More soot sprites, confined. I found more. I feel like this gives like a cool vibe.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's a pin still in this. I want to be a witch.
Bunch of leaves on my shirt.
Gotta pull up her butt. Goat's just attached to her right now. You gotta wash your hands again. We have a food break, and Leah doesn't think that she's gonna be in the costume again.
The legs are resting. I don't know if they're gonna get back in motion.
Comment she's a chump.
Is this off the shoulder?
Hello. So, as you can tell, I was about to put on a bird howl. Yeah, I guess in the last 2 years, my ass has gotten bigger. Because it doesn't fit anymore. So that's fun. Yeah. So no bird howl for a while. Sorry. I'm here in spirit. This sucks. So I'm sleeping in Howl's room tonight. And it's just, I turned on these lights just to see what it looked like all dark. And it's just, wow. I also saw this artwork. It's really pretty. I wish you guys could see this. It's just, it gives a whole different vibe. We made a little piece of art and I'm gonna put it in the art gallery here that they have. Stas 2024. We have our resident Clover madam. She found more. Hi, jump scare. This is Stas. After all that happened, I forgot to film an outro. My bad. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was decent. I don't know if it was good or anything, honestly. I really tried to film what I could. I'd be like, oh yeah, let me record that. So I hope it was okay. I hope it was watchable, and I hope it was somewhat enjoyable, at least a little bit. I hope to maybe film more. I'm going to the Ren Fair next weekend, so I hope I can do better next time. I'm also going to Miku Expo at the end of this month, so maybe I'll try and film more about that. If you want to see shorter form content, I have other things like TikTok and my Instagram and stuff like that. I hope as my first try at a vlog kind of thing, it was okay. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Again, have a good day. Bye!